Farah Sunawala, and I'm the principal of Ibn Sina English High School. I have been in the field of education for the last 25 years. It's a very old school. The school was started by Mrs. Mamnoon and Mrs. Dubey in 1978, and we are an O-level British curriculum school. So technology now is an important aspect in education. Like the various authorities are quite keen that the children as well as the staff makes use of ICT technology, and everything is available to the students in class in the form of resources.
In Ibn Sina English High School, we always prefer to choose the best product for the educational solutions. Our requirement was like we wanted a device for wireless capabilities, hybrid learning, and also general learning. And when I look into the market, I found BenQ EX600 model which met all our requirements.
The most fascinating features of BenQ projectors which I have come across is that it is PC-less, wireless and driverless. And these features are beyond our imagination that can be seen in a projector. So we do not carry our laptop and move from place to place. Rather, we can use the keyboard to connect and move around the class and take complete control of the class and see the work of the students. Another feature which is really interesting and very helpful is to save our work in USB. Any work we do, whichever we are planning to take in our class, we can save it in a USB, and this USB can be connected to the projector. This makes it very comfortable and easy to carry. Rather than carrying a PC and connecting through the wires with the projector, it can be directly connected with the projector, and you can take the class directly without any wastage of time.
The BenQ projectors has really made our lives easy, since now we don't have to depend on any wires and the things are going wireless, and also it has enabled the students to join the class quicker.
With the BenQ InstaShare application, the teachers can mirror their content directly irrespective of which device they are using, and they are more flexible in the classroom with the solution.
With the BenQ AMS service system, we can connect to the files which are saved in our Google Drive easily without even saving it in our USB or any other place. It can be directly accessed with the help of the QR system. Just by connecting with the webcam, we can even start a Zoom meeting without even connecting with the help of a PC. Only with the projector, we can start a Zoom meeting very easily without any wastage of time.
As an IT admin, it's a challenging task to go to each and every class to manage these devices. With BenQ EX600, like we have a DMS solution where we can remotely access all the projects at one place. I'm happy to present this device to the management because like it enables a broadcasting option which enables management to send a message directly to one projector or a group of projectors or like the whole group at their convenience at any time. In the sense of broadcasting, it's just not about broadcasting a single image or video or a text file. We are able to broadcast a YouTube video or a YouTube video live itself.
As I said, the BenQ projector is a smart projector with a lot of features, and we will use this projector to the optimum level. Thank you.